continue the topic called DenseNet. I already explained DenseNet in 5 minutes. Today we'll see some of the important points and the architecture of DenseNet is very helpful for you. And when you like the channel, please subscribe and share with the friends. DenseNet is one of the powerful architecture and also extended version of CNN here. And this DenseNet is generally developed and with the help of DenseNet we can achieve the computer vision tasks like image classification and segmentation and object detection here. And apart from this, there are a lot of DenseNet models are familiar today, and the variant of DenseNet121 and DenseNet201 these are very familiar today, and these are especially used for image classification. Even though they have some drawback like the limitation of input image sizes, that is 224 by followed by 25 with 3 GB DenseNet here. Let's see this the architecture diagram showing how the input of animal predicted as horse like that, and we'll seeing that one DenseNet is one of the powerful architecture and also advanced version of CNN and developed with the help of concept called dense connections. Here all the blocks are connected by dense blocks, and the core idea behind DenseNet is what means the input of one layer is the output of the another, or you can say it's a core idea simple, that is the dense blocks are connected with the concept called feed forward connection here, and the input of one layer is the input of another one and output of another one, and output of another one is the input of another one, and continuously it go for the cars and like that. So generally once come to the terms DenseNet, consider here dense connections, that is dense layer, transition layer and extra. And of course this transition layer is important because the transition layer consists of batch normalization, one into by convolution and etc. So once how the DenseNet okay. So if let's assume that before that here now how the DenseNet achieve image classification and object detection here. Once come to the point of image classification, there will be a images in the, suppose there will be images there. The DenseNet easily can identify the images. That means look at the images where exactly like that. And if we come to the point of object detection, it can predict where location of the images, and also if find the images it may be animal like that, later it can start to bound box the particular object. This object in the given image, like it may horse or cat like that. That is possible. So generally this here input is there, dense block is there, and these are followed by the convolution and pooling here, and here there will be come to the point of dense block, there will be multiple convolution applied here. This and after that what happens means it will support for reduce the then the max pooling is supported, pooling layers is there. This is helpful to reduce the spatial density and also reduce the number of feature nodes here. At last it helps to identify the given predict and say given image cards like that. And apart from this there is a lot of features and benefits when you go for DenseNet here. Generally DenseNet supports the less usage of hyperparameters, that means parameters, and solve the overfitting easily, and robust for robust and convenient for any image classification concept, and we can work the DenseNet with any network here. And even though some drawbacks are like we can say high computation cost. And DenseNet, apart from this DenseNet121, the DenseNet201 actually mainly used for image classification like medical image analysis here. So these are about the information about the DenseNet. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.